Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to make beautiful flower using Leonardo AI. First of all, go to Leonardo AI. Make sure you have tokens. I have a plan, that's why I have more than 30,000 tokens. So go to image, or here, image. And over here you want to type the prompt. I already have a prompt, I'm just gonna paste it over here. Then you need to pick the model. Anime, lifelike vision, Phoenix, which is the newest best version, 1.0. And let's generate. Now it's gonna cost you some tokens. Now it depends what kind of size you want. You can pick the size, the quality, the style, and how many images. So for me it stands on Facebook. Look at this. Looks amazing. Made by AI. And then if you want to make the resolution even better, you can upscale it over here. Scale the image. It's gonna cost you another 20 tokens, but the resolution is gonna be much better. Can even make it as a video if you want. You have the video over here, then you can do something with emotion, but that's up to you. But that's how you can make beautiful flowers.